Back to the ball game. Dito tayo sa second quarter. Kabu versus Cruz Roja. Dito pa rin sa basketball tournament. Sponsored by Glenn's Cafe.
14 seconds, shut up.
Score is 16-28 in favor of Cruz Roja.
Pass to Laguilis. 10 seconds.
Good luck sa mga kabarangay ko. Kabu. Nakababa nila yung lamang.
Ataide pass to Santay Gil. 9 minutes and 25 seconds. Ataide pass to last 10 seconds. Reyes to jersey number 2. Pass to Ataide. 5 seconds.
Ayun, galing.
Rebound. Duria. Dribbling the ball by Duria. Pass to Feliciano. To Camacho in the corner. 2 points. 2 points. Ataide. Pass to Santay Gil. Santay Gil back to Ataide. Tumira na naman ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Pero. Jump ball. Same ball. 11 second shot clock. Oras. 8 minutes and 35 seconds.
Buksan mo nga bro. Sarap yan eh. May biscuit.
Jersey number 2. Pass to Reyes. Pero. Same ball. 8 second shot clock. Pass to Ataide. 2 jump shot. 2 points. Score. 21-30. Oras. 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Feliciano. Pass to Puyan. For 3. Wala. Nawali. Camacho. Emmanuel. Pass to Reyes. Nogi. Still by Camacho. Boom. Camacho pa rin. Pass to Duria. To Camacho. Puyan. Nogi. Rebound by Feliciano. 10 seconds. 2. Wala pa rin nakuha ni Santay Gil to Ataide. Ataide drive. Pero. Foul, jersey number. Oras, 7 minutes and 44 seconds. 17 second shot clock. Reyes, pass to jersey number 2. 2. Banyo for 3. Nogu, rebound by Puyan. Pass to Puyan. 2. Feliciano. Feliciano drives. Lose the ball. Still by Reyes. Pass to Banyo. Banyo drives. Pass to Reyes. Tumira ng 3. Score to 84-30. 6-point lead. Barangay
Kapalit na ng Kabu.
Puyan for 3. Nogu. Rebound by Feliciano.
6 na puntos na lang hinahabol ng Kabu.
Nawali Reyes. Pass to
Yun!
Banyo. 2 points.
Galing.
Apat na lang po ang kalamangan ng Barangay Cruz Roja.
Mahabol ang Kabu.
Duria. Duria drives. Field up shot. Nogu. Rebound by Ataide. Pass to Banyo. Pero still by Camacho. Camacho, 2.
Ganda ng
Duria
pasahan
pass to
ng Kabu
Laguilis.
kanina. No? Cruz Roja.
Step sub.
Balak.
Duria
Palakingin
ng
pa.
press.
Ayun. Nabawi.
Laguilis. Kalma lang kayo dyan. Ang bala rito. 2 points. Santay Gil. Ang
Isa na lang
rito.
uli ang lamang.
Nag-dead ball. Duria. Tumira ng 3. Wala, rebound by Santay Gilio. Oras, 6 minutes sakto. Atayde manin, defense up. Nakakuha ni Santay Gilio, pass to Gogu, Santay Gilio. Rebound by Camacho. Defense up. Camacho drives, lose the ball. Pero, out of bounds. Fabric. Score 28-33. Oras 5 minutes and 36 seconds. Alba, pass to Arizo. Pass to Duran Nogi. Pero, Basambon. Last 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Atayde. Pass to Dizon. Pull up Nogu. Dribble by Amba. Pass Marisa to Amba. Amba fakes. Amba drives. Pass to Duran Tito. Reyes, pass to Atayde. Atayde drives to Dizon. Tumira ng best. Black. Pass to Amba. Tito. Score 28-37. Atayde drives. Pero may foul. Jersey number 0. Duran. First personal foul. Second, team foul. Atayde sumalaksak. Pass to Dizon, perimeter shot. Nogi. Rebound by Ariza. Ariza 2 points. Score 28-39. Atayde Torres. Pass to jersey number 2, back to Atayde. Pass to reserve timeout. Timeout, Barangay Kabu. Score 28-39. Rep, Rosro.
Back to the ball game.
Ariza, pass to Amba. Amba, pero illegal 2, jersey number 12. Oras, 3 minutes and 48 seconds. Duria 12. First personal foul, third team foul. Atayde. Pass to Dizon, Tumunton, 2 ball. Ponce. Pass to Ariza. To Duran. Duran, 2. Ariza. Pass to Ponce. Pero nakakuha ni Reyes. Reyes, 2 ball. Ariza tumira ng Reyes. Nogu. Pero save ball. Amba to Ariza, tumira na ng Reyes. Wala, rebound by Duria. Pass to Ariza. Ariza drives. Fouled. Jersey number 7.
We still have 2
Dito
minutes and
nga
44 seconds left. 32-39 ang score.
Second personal
Lamang pa
foul,
rin,
first
Cruz
team
Roa.
foul.
Naghahabol ang Kabu. Free throw ng Cruz Roa. Bawi ka na lang, sir.
Last throw. Wala. Nakakuha ni Santay Gilio. Pass to Atayde. Atayde nagmamadali. Pero may foul. Jersey number 10. Dito nga Jersey number 10. Ariza. First personal foul, warning for penalty. Oras, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Wala, Bunton, pero Bunton pa rin. 4 minutes, Bunton. 2 points, score. 34-39, 5-point lead, Barangay Cruz Rock. Pass to Amba for 3. Nogu, rebound by Atay. Atay to Reyes. 2 points. Amba to Aris.
Uy.
Last 2 minutes.
Naiinig mo dyan, ha?
Ariza. Pass to Duran. Back to Ariza. 10 seconds shot down. Ariza pa rin. 2. Amba. Amba pass to Ponce. Lock. Pero may foul. Jersey. Number. Dito nga ni 40. Ayos na yan. Oras. 1 minute and 44 seconds. Pasok. Wala. Rebound by Monton. Last to Atay. Serve shot. 2. Dison is still by Duran. Pass to Ariza. Ariza to Amba. Amba for 3. 3 points. Atay de pass to Dison. Back pass to Bunton. Bunton takes 2 points. Score 38-43. Oras 1 minute and 5 seconds. Turia, lose the ball. Still by Reyes. Reyes to Dison. Nogu. Rebound by Reyes Mare. Foul, jersey number. Red. Penalty. Aligid Norte. Wala. Last throw. Wala Fred, pero nakakuha ni Tuti. Pass to Ariza. Ariza pass to Duria. 2. Amba. Pass to Ariza for 3. Nogu. Rebound by Santay Gil. Still by Ariza. Pass to Amba. Amba for 3. Nogu. Rebound by Soriano. Soriano pass to Atay. Last 20 seconds. Soriano to Reyes. 2. Reyes. Lock. Pero. Foul, jersey number 0. Penalty. Second personal foul, penalty. First throw.
Ayun, shoot. Kalibete.
Second throw.
Reyes, number 4. Pangalawang free throw.
Pasok.
Pasok.
Last
Tatlo na
15
lang.
seconds.
Tatlo na lang ang lamang. Pahabol na ng Kabu.
10 seconds.
Ang Cruz Roa, 40-43.
Amba. 27.
5 seconds left.
Amano.
End
End
of
of
second quarter.
Second quarter is gone. 43-40. 3-point lead. Barangay Cruz Rock.